Introduce highlight features and quick overview of SANPTENT 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Enjoy low-fat and healthy meals. With 360 degrees rapid air frying technology, the electric air fryer oven cooker reduce 85% less fat compared with the traditional deep frying method, without losing the delicious tastes and crispy textures. Sleek and modern look with advanced touchscreen menu. Up to 60 minutes, 80 to 200 degrees Celsius or 176 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the temperature and time freely with indicator lights to make all kinds of ingredients reach the ultimate taste. The ElectricHot air fryers has 5.8 quart or 5.5 liters, huge capacity, which can serve food for 3 to about 5 persons. The fryer basket is removable and can be washed in the dishwasher, so your meal is clean, healthy, and delicious. There are fries, roast, grill, bake vegetables, pizza, and frozen foods. This technique uses the hot air circulating to make healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. Never miss a new clip from video. Introduce the latest products YouTube channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.